now 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Somerville, northeastern Erath, and southwestern Hood counties. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 10 miles east of Stephenville, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Squaw Creek Reservoir, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Johnsville, Palepshe, Bluffdale, and Selden. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter now. Get to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.